Nigeria's banking industry is one of the biggest in Africa, a world of billion-naira deals, fierce competition, and powerful financial institutions. But in 2019, one of Nigeria's most recognizable banks suddenly disappeared. Diamond Bank. A bank that once stood among Nigeria's financial giants. A bank trusted by millions. A bank that looked unstoppable. So what happened? How did Diamond Bank rise so quickly and collapse so dramatically? This is the story of ambition, expansion, debt, survival, and the fall of a banking giant. Chapter 1: The Rise. Diamond Bank was founded in 1990 by Nigerian businessman Pascal Dozie. At the time, Nigeria's banking sector was rapidly expanding. Banks were becoming symbols of power, prestige, and economic influence. Diamond Bank quickly built a reputation for innovation and aggressive growth. By the early 2000s, the bank had become one of Nigeria's leading financial institutions. It expanded across Africa, opened branches in multiple countries, and attracted millions of customers. The bank became especially popular among young Nigerians and small business owners. Then came a major turning point. In 2014, Diamond Bank partnered with telecommunications giant MTN Group to launch a mobile banking service called Diamond Yellow Account. It was revolutionary. Customers could open bank accounts using only their mobile phones. At a time when millions of Africans lacked access to traditional banking, this innovation positioned Diamond Bank as a modern financial leader. For a while, the future looked bright, but beneath the success story, serious cracks were beginning to form. Chapter 2: The Problems Begin. Around 2015, Nigeria entered a difficult economic period. Global oil prices crashed. And because Nigeria depended heavily on oil revenue, the economy suffered badly. Businesses struggled. Companies defaulted on loans. Banks across the country came under pressure. Diamond Bank was hit especially hard. A large portion of its loan portfolio became toxic. Non-performing loans began piling up. The bank was losing money. At the same time, the Nigerian naira weakened sharply against the US dollar. And that created another problem. Diamond Bank had borrowed heavily in foreign currency. As the naira lost value, repaying those debts became far more expensive. Investors grew nervous. Customers started losing confidence. The bank's stock price crashed. Soon, financial reports revealed deep losses running into hundreds of billions of naira. To survive, Diamond Bank began restructuring operations. Branches were reduced, costs were cut, leadership changes followed. In 2014, Uzoma Dozie had taken over as CEO from his father, Pascal Dozie. He faced the enormous challenge of saving the bank during one of Nigeria's toughest financial periods. Despite efforts to stabilize operations, pressure continued mounting. Regulators were watching closely, and whispers of collapse began spreading across Nigeria's financial industry. Chapter 3: The Final Days. By 2018, the situation had become critical. Diamond Bank was struggling to meet key financial requirements set by the Central Bank of Nigeria. Its debts were growing, its capital reserves were weakening, and confidence in the bank was fading fast. Then came the announcement that shocked many Nigerians. Diamond Bank would merge with Access Bank plc. Officially, it was described as a merger, but many observers saw it as a rescue operation. In December 2018, the deal was confirmed, and by 2019, the Diamond Bank brand disappeared completely. After nearly 3 decades, one of Nigeria's most famous banks was gone. Access Bank absorbed its operations, customers, and assets. For millions of customers, banking services continued normally, but symbolically it marked the end of an era. A once powerful financial institution had collapsed under the weight of economic pressure, risky lending, and mounting debt. Chapter 4: The Legacy. Yet, despite its collapse, Diamond Bank left behind an important legacy. The bank played a major role in modernizing digital banking in Nigeria. Its mobile banking innovations helped push financial inclusion forward. Many of the ideas Diamond Bank pioneered are now common across Africa's fintech industry. Today, mobile banking and digital payments dominate the continent's financial landscape. Companies like Flutterwave, OPay, and PalmPay operate in a world that Diamond Bank helped shape. Its story also became a warning, a reminder that even the biggest institutions can fail if debt grows too large, if economic conditions change, or if trust disappears. Outro. Diamond Bank's collapse was more than the fall of a company. It was a reflection of the risks inside Africa's fast-growing financial system. A story of innovation, ambition, and survival. And even though the name is gone, its impact on African banking remains impossible to ignore. Diamond Bank officially merged with Access Bank in 2019,